Mu is the name given to the hypothetical lost continent which is considered to have been located in the Pacific Ocean before it went down. Mu has been predicted to have went down with severe volcanic eruptions and earthquakes before the explosion of gas chambers which accumulated on the ocean floor. James Church began working with reading tablets which he found in a temple in Tibet when he was colonel in charge in India. Then he examined 2,600 tablets which Dr. William Newman found in Mexico. On these tablets, our continent sank, so we escaped to here, was written. The tablets have existed for 14,000 years. This has been confirmed with carbon-14 test. Upon this, Church worked harder and he spent the 50 years of his life finding out the Mu continent. He walked around the world and collected sources. He included these findings in his 5 books which he wrote. James Church's books were translated into Turkish with the order of Atatürk in 1930. Because, according to the claim, writings about the fact that Turks came to the Central Asia from this continent took place in that book. In fact, Plato, who that lived in ancient Greek before Churchward, spoke of a continent that submerged and a civilization which disappeared. In the midst of nations that have lived at the four corners of the world, there are attributions that there was a continent in the Pacific Ocean. An advanced civilization had lived on it for tens of thousands of years and that civilization disappeared with degeneration. For instance, in the Indian Ramayana saga, Holy Mayan text, and Egyptian's Book of Dead, it has been spoken of Mu civilization partly or clearly. In the Sumerian epic of Gilgamesh, it has been told that as a result of a typhoon created by the gods, the large part of the world submerged. In addition, the flood that takes part in holy books of the 3 great religions has told such an incident. Many islands, civilizations and ruins can clarify with the existence of the Mu continent. In the Caroline Islands in Micronesia, some big ruins that was impossible to be built with small population were found. In the Pohnpei Island, a temple having walls whose height exceeded 10 meters, basaltic blocks and pyramids were discovered. Also before World War II, Japanese divers found boulevards covered with corals, stone domes, monuments, columns, house ruins, platinum coffins and writing slabs under the sea. In the Camber Island, mummies that were older than the ones which were found in Egypt were found. All these have the quality to validate the theses that were asserted in the books of Churchward. According to Churchward, mankind first appeared in the Mu continent. The fact that the word that means father in nearly all languages in the world is written almost the same verifies this claim. 4 different races, a monotheistic religion, a teaching system based on symbolism, and an advanced civilization had lived on the mythical continent. As well as its written language was different, its spoken language was Muishan. In comparison with today's civilization, they were much more advanced in moral areas. All the people were living in a great harmony and with the monotheistic belief. God was represented with the symbol of sun, and its name in this language was Ra. For this reason, Mu civilization was also called Sun Empire. The fact that in Mayan and Egyptian civilization, God was called Ra has the quality to verify that they shared the same roots.